Hello guys, so this is a continuation part 3 React.js tutorial. So this session we will see how to create the component and how to call this component. Here we're going to create like a header and a footer component for our application. That is the goal in this video. Let's go and do that. So before going to do that, few dev tools which I like to show and we can install those. So for a browser, this is our best tool, which is a React developer tool, which help you to see the components of the reactor. So you can go through this will be a good one, which you can add this as extension. And the next one is you can go and find out ES7 Reactor. This will helps you to create a few shortcuts, you want to generate a few templates for the components. This will help you to do that. Okay, so let's go and install this as well. So you can go through in detail. So this will give you like suppose I try to create with the RFCP. So this will generate you something like this. Okay, so we have a different bunch of things. So this, which one I going to use? This is a very basic template generation, which contains the basic import and the function, and it's set it to the default. Okay, let's, yeah, this is get installed. Okay, now what we going to do, we just go and create a new folder here. We call it as components. Okay, under the component we go and create a header.js. So you make sure like hutch, the first letter should be a caps, because component it's represent with the caps. So from here, then sorry, okay, we're going to try this. Yeah, RAFCE. Yep, so it's created for me with the empty div. Okay, cool. So we don't need React to be imported here, and we will move this. Okay, we just remove this all the stuff which I used in the last tutorial. Let's cut it here and put it over here. Okay, welcome to, okay, cool. So now just like XML syntax kind of, you have to just call it like this, slash header. Okay, so you have to do import here by calling import dot slash components slash header. Okay, cool. Okay, Okay, so anyways, this JS also we are not using, we can remove this. Okay, close this, all the stuff. Okay, let's go to our page. So now so I converted my header by using the component now. So still we can have it something like header tag. Under the header tag we can keep it this. Okay, cool. So the next thing is I want to pass this name from my app.js itself, like a kind of a configurations. So how we can do that, like passing the input to my header and that should be displayed dynamic. So there is something concept called property uh, props. Okay, with the props input we can able to achieve it, like for example title. Okay, this value you can pass it from here. Title equal to, okay, so this if you see, so the value which is okay, let's make it, okay, cool. Okay, fine. So suppose, so if I didn't provide any kind of title, for example, so I just so it will give me a empty data. For that we can able to set the default props from the function. If this title is empty, then it will go and fetch the default data which we are assigned from the component. So header, okay, we can call it header dot default props equal to, okay, title, okay. So if I'm not passing any title over here as input, then okay, sorry, there was a typo mistake. We can, okay, this is fine anyways input, but still, okay, so now this should work. Cool. Okay, so now if I set from here title equal to coders media, see, it's reads from the header. Okay, cool. So next session we'll see how to do some styling and some advanced concepts. So this is a way to create a component and call the component in our to the another component. Hopes this will helps. Thanks for watching video and stay tuned the React.js playlist. which I added in the link in the description. So any new tutorial related to React.js, I will keep added in the playlist. You can keep follow that. Thank you.